Hey guys, Chelsea here, the owner, founder, and CEO of Pretty Dreams Beauty Studio. And today I'm going to do eyeshadow look using the Juvia's Place, the Rebel Mint Quad palette here. And here is what the inside looks like. As you can see, nothing but mint green, light green, whatever you want to call it, colors here. And as you can see, I'm wearing a mint green shirt here. To go with the look I'm rocking today. So let's get started. So I already primed my eyes, but before I put them on my eyes, I did some swatches here, and this is what all four colors look like. I think I'm gonna play with these two here and maybe put this on the crease part of my eye. So let's just go with it. So I'm gonna start with this color here and just put it on my lid. So I've had a pretty decent weekend. I don't know about you guys, but I had a pretty good decent weekend. I spent time with my kids. We all went to my mother's house to go swimming. And it was just an all around good weekend for me. And then like Sunday I'm just relaxing. I just did some minor cleaning and just pretty much laid around and took a nap. I had to get up early to do a couple errands, and then I came back home and went and took a nap. My husband left to go help his mom with some things, so there's that. And just pretty much it was a very relaxing weekend and just pretty much real cool, lay back, chill out type of thing. So yep. So I got this part green on, and I'm going to go in with this lighter one, the really mint green one. So let's get that on there. I'm really not looking forward to going back to work tomorrow, but you know, these bills ain't gonna pay themselves. So just gotta do what I gotta do, you know? Just do what I gotta do. There's that. That's it. That's all. You know, it's all part of life, and I'm really not going to enjoy it, but I love having a roof over my head, so that's a blessing. But yep. And I hope you guys, I don't know how you guys feel about the abortion situation that happened, that was overturned. I'm just going to keep that opinion to myself. But, you know, it's really taken a toll on this country. That's all I'm going to say about it. But everything else I'm going to just keep to myself, because everybody is entitled to their own opinion on that subject. So, yeah. I just hope that, you know, things get better within time. I mean, with the gas prices so high, and then this stuff with the abortion situation, you know, yeah, this has not been a good year. You know how I'm starting to think that this is kind of like history repeating itself in a way. You know, like how the Roaring 20s, like the roaring, sorry, I can't talk right. The roaring 1920s, you know how bad that was, and now it's 2022, so it's pretty much the roaring 20s all over again. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm kind of like on edge about that, and I hate that I have to raise my children in this crap. I really hate it with a passion, but I hate having to raise kids in this mess. I really do. So this is what we got so far. I'm really loving this, and I really have started liking mint green, or just green altogether, recently. Like literally, like maybe early this year, I started liking green. Like green, back in the day, back when I was younger, green was green along with orange, and even red for that matter, was my least favorite colors. But I can honestly say now that I'm older, you know, I like those colors, but this mint green is just my favorite all around. It really suits me. To me, it does. So there's that. So I'm gonna go in with this shimmery one right here and just put it like right in here. So let's get that on. Now I'm gonna use my finger because, you know, it's easy to put on. To me it is. So yep. And I love this. I love this really. I love this shimmery color. It's so pretty. Super, super pretty. And it really, to me, makes my eyes pop. And that's what I love. I love this. This is so, so pretty. And it just goes right on. I mean, I think if I didn't have, like, if I can just wear like this shimmery just all over my lids, I can't say, oh my God, I really can't say this because then I'll be jinxing myself. If I was going to say that I can wear this shimmery color all over my eyelids without any primer, but I know I'd be lying to myself, so I can't say that. So to me, eye primer, no matter what eye primer you use, whether it's eye primer itself or just concealer, eye primer will be your best friend in the makeup world. Especially if you want a really good makeup look, especially if your eyeshadow, if you want your eyeshadow to be on point, please use primer, whether it's primer or just concealer, just do it because it will definitely save your life. So this is what we got going on right now, and I just started using this color here, this one here, to put on my inner corner and put a little bit up here. So yes, so pretty, so pretty. I love this. So here it is, y'all. Everything, just my eyes are starting to pop some more. But once I finish my face, put my lashes on, I'm going to show y'all what's up. So let me do that and I'll be right back to show y'all this final result. So here is the final look, and I am just in awe with this whole eye look. I mean, it's just all around beautiful. I definitely give this palette a 10 out of 10. I mean, I definitely had my doubts on this color here alone because when I swatched it, I felt like I couldn't see anything, but when I popped it on my eyes, it just gave it that extra pop. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it. That's all. And you know what? Don't walk, run and get this at your local Ulta, or you can go on the Juvia's Place website and get it. So yeah, so just please get this. And I'm gonna try the other ones too, like the other colors like this, and do a video on that too. So yeah, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. There you go. I will talk to you guys later.